Huddly is here at Infocom, and we are super excited to be showcasing our cameras and some new technology that we've been working on. We have our latest camera, IQ, on the back here, showing off how it uses AI technology running on the camera to zoom in on the people in the meeting and give you the best video experience. In addition to this, we're showcasing Canvas, which is a new technology where we're leveraging our AI software platform to enhance a whiteboard and bring it into a digital context. And we have two demos of this. On the front, we're showing an interactive game where you can try to draw something and see if the camera guesses correctly what you're drawing. And in the room, we're showing a more practical solution of how a whiteboard can automatically be brought into a video call. At Huddly, we build tools for teams, and inside of our booth, we have a demo showing you how we can create an automated meeting experience with an analog whiteboard. And what this means is we're leveraging the Canvas technology to bring an analog whiteboard into a digital world. Whenever you draw on the whiteboard, the layout of your call automatically switches to show you the whiteboard in full screen. And when you're done with the whiteboard, it goes away. And again, we're using the Canvas technology as well to enhance the whiteboard and bring you crisp color, remove the shadows and the gloss from the whiteboard. We're really happy to be showcasing this technology. We're at booth 4087. See you there.